right. I don't need this. Getting rid of this. They went to the sound tube that fed into the firewall to the driver's side. Came with a nice plug for the firewall. Now I've installed the tube hose to the new elbow piece. Installation complete. All right, we're gonna check this out. That was just a demo of how much nicer the door closes with the new bushings. And now that I've got the noisemaker delete, let's hear how it sounds. Still got that zoom, but that's from the outside of the car instead of the inside of the car, so that's pretty cool. If I want to hear it, I'll turn the stereo down.